Well, I got called out because there's an alarm on one of the reach-ins. 65 degrees, it says. So, we go to it, pull the graph. This unit's been 65 degrees for the last 2 weeks. So why is that? This is cooler 4. I know why. It's because this unit that's back here that I replaced the compressor on a few weeks ago, well, guess what it is? Number 4. They still just have it sitting back here, ready to start up, ready to run, but the temperature sensor is remote. It's wireless. So we've got one over there that doesn't have a sensor in it, or has a sensor but it doesn't have a module, so we're going to switch it out. So here's our wireless module. See, it slides onto the thing like so once you got it in place. And then once we get inside of it here, take those screws off, we've got 2 sensors that connect to it. So input 1, you see, input 2 and input 3 is part of the board. But since I've got sensors already over there on the other one, I'm gonna take these sensors loose and try to move it over there and install it and see how that works. Alright, let's go see what we can do, what we got. And here I got this case, and it's the only one of all these cases that does not have a module on top. You see all of them have modules on top? This one doesn't, but it does have wires hanging out of the back. So just like the other one, we've got two sensors here. Alright, I got her in. Let's go see if we can recognize that on the controller. Well, that's pretty amazing right there. You can't ask for much more than that, can you? Now here you can see we got a tiny little dot on the bottom, and compared to how the graph was all zigzaggy before, it's because if you look on the left hand side real closely, you'll see the little decimal numbers. You see? So now that we've got this little point on the bottom, that means that we're recognizing temperature down in the 20s actually. Well, then here we can see our PT fail, and then see it come back.